Resort-style backyard with a downstairs bedroom and full bathroom. At this price, you're gonna wanna see it for yourself.
This home offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Step inside to a light-filled living room with soaring ceilings and walls of windows that bring in naturally infused light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Featuring a downstairs bedroom, full bath, the remodeled kitchen features custom wood cabinetry, granite countertops, upgraded appliances, a large pantry, a center island with seating, along with a functional layout that opens to the family room, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The backyard is designed for both entertaining and relaxation, featuring a sparkling pool and spa, brick paver patios, planters, generous space for dining, lounging, barbecuing, and play. Upstairs, the primary suite is a relaxing retreat with high ceilings, ceiling fan, dual vanities, a separate shower, a soaking tub, and spacious walk-in closet with mirrored wardrobes. 2 additional bedrooms share a full bath with dual vanities. A convenient upstairs laundry room with sink adds to everyday ease.